Hey guys, welcome to another week. This week we're going to talk about actions. It'll be kind of a repeat of what some of the things that we've already did, like such as the previous week, the events that you worked on. So this week will be kind of similar to that, but a little bit more detail, and we'll cross base and so forth. So let's get started on our first lecture, per se. I guess lecture, application, whatever. So let me go ahead and put this up here. Let me pull up, I don't even think I have it up. Oh, yeah, maybe I do. I'm not sure if I had Xcode up. So that was the last thing that we worked on. So let's close that. All right, so new project. And this project is going to be single view app. As many other times, we will call it Action Pack 1. That's what I'll call it. I'll hit next and create. Perfect. No, I don't want plus. I want 8. That's fine. I'm sure why I did that. All right, unable to sign in. I'm not going to worry about that. All right, so let's go ahead over to storyboard. Perfect. Let's make some room here. Might have more room this time. Not sure. So we're going to use some buttons here. So let's find the buttons. Be nice if they had a search bar for the buttons, but they don't. So just going to drag and drop a couple buttons here. Boom. Change the name. I'll call it, let's see, let's come up with something here. Event 1. Well, event would be dumb. So let's think about, if you have an application, what would you have? So let's say that we're building an Instagram app, for example. So let me click Instagram for a second and see what they have here on Instagram. They have a plus. So we'll call this add photo. Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna grab another button and let's come over here, pull it back over. All right, and so another thing that they could have is they could have search. But in this case, we need another button. So we'll call this button our like button. So that's our like button. All right, so you know how you could come over here and change the color and all that stuff. Let's go over here and choose, let's see here, what do we want? A label. So drag and drop label. This should be second nature by now to you guys. I'm gonna drag this guy over here. I'll keep it label, I'll center it, keep it as is. Maybe I'll even increase the font on it a little bit. Make it nice and big. Pull that down there. All right. If we're in class, I'd ask you what to do next, but we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna do what we've been doing for some time now. Like I said, it should be second nature to us right now. I'm gonna choose H right here, and then I'm going to make some room here and drag these guys down here. So I'm gonna control and point somewhere. Actually, we need to, before I do that, we need to set this up before it's a problem, just in case we don't have a problem later on. All right, so let's control and drag it down here, and we will call it, all right, so now I need to give it a name, so I'll call it add photo. And we have UI button, and we need a action, and keep it ID. Oh, yeah, actually, I don't know why I was thinking we don't want that UI button. Leave it ID. We'll leave it touch up inside, which is default, which means when you press it and you release your fingers or button, whatever the case is, it will then do what it has to do. Argument will keep sender as is, and I'm gonna hit connect. All right, so now I'll do the like. Once I can click on it. The heck is going on with my computer? It will not let me click on anything. Okay, 1 second. Not sure what was happening there. Probably running out of space, which I need to clean up some files here. All right, so we'll call that one like. UI button. We need to add action so it knows what to do. Everything's the same. Hit connect. Perfect. All right, so now control. Oops, man. Control and come up here, and this will be I'll call it we'll call it our view, because it's going to be our view for these guys here. And we're not doing an action on here. We're using this as an outlet. So hit connect. All right, there we go. All right, so what's next? All right, so let's get out of this mode here, and let's go over here and let's write some code for what we want to happen. All right, so let's come down here, and this is going to be simple stuff that we've been doing. So I'll do self label. I think we call it label 1. We didn't change it to anything. Label dot text equals, and then we'll give it some type of action event. And this way we could say uploaded photo. Okay, and then we'll come down here. And we'll do something similar. We'll do self.label.text equals @ symbol, and this time we'll say light photo, just like Instagram. And there we go. Let's see if this works. I must have not did something right, because it doesn't like something. All right, property label does not been found. All right, that's interesting. So I thought I called it label. Let's see what I called it. Label, L-A-B-E-L. Maybe I can't spell. Let's see. It's always possible. The heck did I call? Property label not found. All right, what is going on here? All right, let's go over here. What did I call it? UI label. Oh, I called it view. Jeez. I think that's what it is. I bet that's what it is. Yep. I think. That's a bad name for the UI label. Here it is, UI label view. That's a bad name for it, because that could be misinterpreted as a keyword. And well, I know it's UI label because I have it specified here. That's a bad way of doing it. I should have called it something else. So let's run it and see if it works. Yeah, where's the thing? Oh, it's coming up for the first time. I haven't. It's over here somewhere, I think. All right, let's make it a little bigger. Taking a while to load for the first time. It must have blew up. What the heck? What is going on today? And my computer is churning up here with a lot of memory. So it didn't like something. Alright, let's stop it. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Stop that. See what I did? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here and I'm going to change this from view. I'm going to change it here and call it label. I'm wondering if that's my problem. It didn't like that it was a keyword. I don't know. Label. And then we'll have to change that, because we're not doing anything different here. Alright, let's see. I think that's right. IB action like ID sender self.label.text equals liked photo. Let's make it one word just in case for some reason. I doubt that's the problem. Just trying to think of some other things I might have missed. I have an end here. That's fine. I have, let's see here. I have implementation. That's fine. That's fine. So that looks fine. I come over here. I have my UI controller. Is there something missing? Yeah, I don't see anything that's off setting. You know what? You know, for the heck of it, let's take this out of here for a second, see if that changes anything. Alright, so I had that in here for some reason, not sure what I'm thinking. Alright, still not working. Add photo, that doesn't change. Click like, that doesn't change. Well, I'm having a heck of a day. What a way to start off here. Let's see here. Add photo, ID sender, ID sender. Alright, so let's move this property around a little bit. Cut that out of here. Put it here. Maybe I have to add it back in since I did what I did. Non-atomic IB outlet, UI label, and we have a label. Oh, we have a label. And I have a label too. Alright, UI label. Thought I might have had it wrong. Huh. What is going on? It's been a long day, trust me. Guess what? That didn't work either. Alright, what